Om Shanti. How to wake up early in the morning, and why should I wake up early in the morning? It's like when you go to some place to purchase few things for your comfort zone. What you will like that there should be less rush in the place. For that, you will definitely have to check out the timings, days, so that you feel comfortable while purchasing your items, your day to day things. Same way, you when you connect to God, actually, what happened? You want a peaceful environment and an ease of connectivity to Supreme. Early morning time give you that easiness, that clean environment, which makes you feel the company of Supreme, a communication you establish with God early hours. You feel that you are getting the solutions of your problems and the powers that you need to face the problems of your life. You feel that you are getting the powers when you connect to God early in the morning. So that is why you should wake up early in the morning. Now, how? If anyone is having a schedule that is found difficult to wake up early in the morning, how to manage it? So, first, I have to understand its importance, why it's important for me to wake up early in the morning. When we have the value of something, then we try to have it. So that habit of waking up early in the morning is also valuable because it make our attitude, personality very positive, peaceful, and very um, balanced personality you will have when you are having a habit of waking up early, and you will find it that the situations whatever is coming in your life you are able to handle it easily with your inner strength and you with the help of God. To wake up early you should firstly have good and sound sleep, because when you are having a sound sleep, you your sleep hours automatically reduce. And to have that sound sleep you must have to adopt a habit of meditating or studying a positive books that make your mind calm and tension stress free and your body relax, and then you go to sleep, then you find that your sleep has better quality than before you was having. The one is this. Second is sleep on time. Make a firm routine to have a sleep on time, not late sleep. And the thing is, what we practice is traffic control. That in every 1 hour or 2 hour, we take a pause of 1 minute of our thoughts, traffic control of our thoughts. We watch our thoughts and give the positive, any positive 5 thoughts. You can have it in written, and you can just read it and feel it. If you are feeling that I'm not able to create positive thought, so we do a practice in every 2 hour, to think at least for 1 minute, to channelize our mind to a right direction, to a positive direction, whatever is situation. But it should not affect our mind, my emotions, anyhow. So we have to make it ourselves that much strong so that we can face the challenges that are whatever is incoming in our life, because everybody has challenges in their life, on whatever field they are. Everybody has their own challenges, and everybody handle it in their own way. But that routine of waking up early and connecting to God, that is meditation, that helps a lot. It gives a clear vision of solutions. If not solution, it gives an inner strength to face the problems and come out of that situations without any deep bad effects. So wake up early, do meditate, do connect to God, have sound good sleep, meditate half an hour before you sleep, or read good books that motivate you, encourage you in a positive way. Om Shanti. Thank you.